Okay, here's the premise. We're waiting on Chris Evans, who has surprisingly been in the bathroom forever, so we can totally prank him. Hopefully this works.
How are you?
Huh? I'm excellent. How are you?
Good. Good.
Yeah.
Good. What you doing over there? What you? Oh, you're recording something.
Chris Evans, could you please come down to Bristol's office? Okay, this is a day in the life of Townsquare Media. We've been waiting on him to get out of the John forever. Come on, Evans. Hey, brother, what's up?
Hey.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. Question for you. Sound good?
Sounds good.
I thought you were gonna wait till it comes out.
You're not supposed to do it in my office.
You're welcome. I have to go to the bathroom now.
No.
Oh my god.
You just spent
Hey.
so much time in the bathroom. We've been waiting forever for you to come out.
I gotta go back. It was less explosive in the bathroom. Oh my god.
The beautiful thing is I'm